Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about what happens when you drink celery juice every morning. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Celery juice is an easy and yummy way to begin your day. It's a great choice if you're not feeling great because it supports the immune system, improves digestion, and has essential anti-inflammatory qualities. Yes, celery juice has many purported advantages, such as weight loss and detoxing features, but what happens to your body when you drink this drink every day? Let's wade through the claims and find out. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Here are 10 benefits of drinking celery juice every morning. Number 10. Helping digestion. Celery juice improves and activates the gut by replacing hydrochloric acid, which assists us to digest things quicker and more efficiently. Celery juice aids increased stomach acid, which is required to aid breakdown food, particularly proteins. Pretty good for those on a high protein diet. If our stomach acid is low, the body has to utilize more sources to digest that food, often leaving us seeming tired and lethargic. Celery juice can significantly replace reduced levels of gastric mucus that are required in the stomach wall to treat and stop ulcers and acid reflux. Number 9. Immunity booster. Celeries are the main source of vitamin C and K, which are great for fighting the common cold and flu. They're high in potassium, which stimulates brain and nerve function. Potassium also helps control blood pressure. Vitamin C found in celery demonstrates anti-inflammatory effects and is used as complementary support for asthma and other respiratory symptoms, plus it enhances iron absorption in the body. Iron plays an important role in immune function. Vitamin C and antioxidants have made this drink a wonderful choice for improving the immune system. If you are interested in the ways you can boost your immune system, we have a video in our channel which gives you recipes of some delicious juices which boost your immune system. Number 8. Increasing the energy. Many people rely on coffee to give them the energy boost they need to get them up and out of bed in the morning. There may actually be a more health-conscious way to stay energized. As it turns out, celery juice can actually give you energy. If you make it your routine to drink celery juice every day, you may find you no longer need coffee, tea, or energy drinks to give you that boost. As you know, the energy a human receives from food comes from the food you eat. A reaction occurs when the positively charged ions from food enter the digestive tract and interact with the negatively charged enzymes. Celery is one of the few foods that contain more negatively charged ions, providing your body with more energy when it enters the digestive tract. Number 7. Improving healing process. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C, found in abundance in celery, promotes wound healing and is an essential nutrient in the maintenance of healthy bones, connective tissue, and cartilage. As noted previously, vitamin C also displays anti-inflammatory properties. Combined, vitamin C is an essential nutrient in the maintenance of good health and recovery from stress and injury. Number 6. Preventing cancer. Antioxidants may help protect your cells against molecules called free radicals, which play a role in heart disease, cancer, and the aging process. A recent study found that several compounds in celery leaves and seeds act as powerful antioxidants in the body. These compounds include caffeic acid, ferric acid, tannin, and saponin. Enjoying celery, either raw or as a juice, can help you get enough of these compounds and lower your chances of cancer. Number 5. Stimulate weight loss. Celery is high in pectin fiber, which helps fight hunger cravings. Studies have shown that people who maintain a more alkaline diet do in fact lose weight faster. Many people believe that drinking celery juice in the morning suppresses their appetite and leads them to lose more weight. There are some studies that have suggested having celery juice during exercise. The reason is that it both enhances the energy levels and keeps the body hydrated, as well as helps you to burn more calories. Number 4. Preventing kidney stone. Drinking celery juice every day may work to prevent kidney stones. Not familiar with the condition? According to the American Kidney Fund, sometimes, when you have too much of certain wastes and not enough fluid in your blood, these wastes can build up and stick together in your kidneys. These clumps of waste are called kidney stones. Kidney stones can be quite painful, which means they're well worth avoiding if at all possible. Thankfully, that's made easier with celery juice. Celery juice is thought to clear away toxins that contribute to kidney stone formation and has long been used in traditional medications. It also helps flush out the body so you can pass the stone. Not only can celery juice help prevent kidney stones, but it can also make managing them easier. It's a win-win. Number 3. Benefits for the skin. The vitamin C component as well as other antioxidants help decrease wrinkles and blemishes, and it helps to combat free radical damage. Vitamin C is vital for healthy glowing skin, while its alkaline nature kills some types of bacteria known to cause acne. Vitamin C also has an influential effect on collagen production, which keeps the skin youthful and smooth. It can actually be applied directly to scars or age spots to help reduce their appearance. Since celery juice purges toxins from your blood, it would also be helping to keep your skin clear of blemishes from the inside out. The vitamin C contained in the celery juice rejuvenates the skin from within your body. Number 2. Benefits for liver. Celery juice enhances liver function by improving the production of enzymes. Studies show that celery benefits decrease fat buildup in the liver. The nutrients in celery protect the liver, and actually, help the liver produce enzymes that help flush fat and toxins out. Number 1. Hydrating the body. Because celery is primarily water, you get the hydration value by drinking celery juice. So, if you're burned out on plain water, then celery juice might be a good hydration alternative. Staying hydrated is important for your overall health because dehydration can mess with your thinking, affect your mood, cause bowel disorders, and even lead to kidney stones, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. If you notice itching or swelling in your mouth or on your skin after drinking celery juice, you may be allergic. There are many alternatives you can have instead of celery juice. We have lots of videos on our channel about different types of juices for different purposes. You can check them out, too. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.